going to describe some things without using certain words. It's like a secret mission. And you, yes you, have to guess what it is. Are you ready to be a guessing genius? Yay! Hey Gigglers, it's your friend Temi here in my rainbow-tastic bedroom. We're going to play a super fun game today, so let's warm up our brains. Imagine something really, really big, bigger than me, and it loves to splash around in water, and it has a, I can't say that word. It's like a big hose for water. What can it be? I'm going to check my animal picture book to make sure I've got it all right. Okay, Gigglers, let's get those thinking caps on. It's grey and it has a super long nose for giving watery showers. Oh no, I can't say the part about the big flappy... Oh, I almost said it again there. This is tricky, but so much fun. All right, keep guessing while I look at my pictures. Yes, that's it. I can see it now. Splish splashing with its big feet that can squash a watermelon. Don't tell anyone, but I'll give you a little tiny hint because we're bestest friends. It loves to eat something green and leafy. Okay, are you ready for the big reveal? If you guessed an elephant, then you're absolutely, positively right! Yay! Well done! I couldn't say trunk or ears because those were our secret words not to use. An elephant has a long, long trunk for picking things up and big flappy ears that helps it keep cool. Isn't that amazing? Elephants are such gentle giants. Now, let's go to our mystery thing. This one is going to be super duper tricky, but I know you can do it because you're all so brilliant. This time, I'm thinking of something that flies high in the sky. Okay, it sings beautiful songs when the sun comes up and likes to build nests out of twigs. Sometimes they come to my window and I give them little crumbs of toast. They go tweet tweet. And oh, I almost said a secret word. That was a close one, Temi. They come in all different colours like blue, red, yellow, and some of them can even talk like us. Isn't that funny? Imagine having a chat with one. I would ask it all about the clouds. Did you get your guess locked in, Gigglers? I bet you did because you're bright as sparkly stars. If you've guessed a bird, then you're absolutely super duper right! Yippee! Birds have those things they flap to soar up high, but I couldn't say wings. And they peck their food with their pointy... Oops, I almost said beak. Now, are you ready for the next guessing game? Oh, I can't wait to see if you can figure this one out. This time, I'm thinking of something that lives in the water. Not a fishy. And it's super duper clever. This one's a toughie, but we can do it. Alright, so this swishy swashy friend can change colours when it wants to hide. Or say hello in its own special way. And guess what? It has lots of squishy, twisty, turny arms. If I had that many arms, I could hold all my crayons at once. Oh, and here's a funny thing. It squirts ink when it gets a fright. Have you figured it out yet? It's a tricky one, but I believe in you because you're the smartest gigglers in the whole wide world. Okay, Gigglers, it's time for the big splashy reveal. If you thought of an octopus, you're right! You got it! ocean where it lives, or smart, even though it's super duper clever, or 8 tentacles, because it has 8 extra long tentacles swishing about. Did you know they can solve puzzles? That's so cool! Now, let's swim to our next guessing game. This one's going to be a little bit cuddly, a little bit roly-poly, and oh, it's going to be fun! So, this fluffy friend loves to munch on something that's very crunchy and big cheeks that puff out when it's snack time. And guess what? It loves running around in its wheel at home. Round and round it goes. Whee! If I had a wheel like that, I'd be dizzy wizzy all day. Oh, I've got to be careful not to give too much away. All right, put on your thinking caps, and when you've made your special guess, let's see if you're right. And then it's on to the next. Keep those guesses coming. And don't worry if you're not sure. The fun's all in the guessing. Alright, Gigglers, the moment has come for the big, exciting reveal! If you've guessed it's a hamster, you're totally, absolutely, incredibly right! You did it again! I couldn't say fur because they're so fluffy, and I couldn't say chewing because they chew really, really cutely. Okay, it's time for our next big fun challenge. This one likes to hop around the garden. It's got long ears. So this jumpy friend has a little twitchy nose and loves to eat veggies, especially the leafy greeny ones. And you know what? It has the softest, fluffiest tail I've ever seen. I wish I could touch it. I bet it feels like a tiny cloud. Have you made your guess yet? I think you're going to be really good at this one because you're all such smart gigglers. Okay, my giggling friends, get ready for the big jump to the answer. If you thought of a bunny rabbit, then you're right as rainbows. I couldn't say hop, even though they love to bounce around. And not ears, even though they've got the longest, floppiest ones. Perfect for listening to all the sounds in Temi's world. You're all just so brilliant at this game. Give yourself the biggest clap. Yay for you! And you've all done such an amazing job. I'm bouncing with joy like our bunny friends. The most important thing is that we had fun and learned something new. It's time to say goodbye, but don't worry, we'll have more giggles and games next time in Temi's world.